Hey, it's me again. Well, today I want to show you kind of stuff what I have that I'm picked up a while ago that I released some of my favorite products. One from Forever 21, which is my favorite. This, let's see, try to untangle this a bit. Bra. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? This bra is the cutest thing. Forever 21. It was very inexpensive. Very cute. Came with these panties. So cute, right? Cute bra, cute panties. And I also picked up Forever 21 this beautiful swimsuit. It says wifey on it. Beautiful swimsuit. Wifey. Isn't that pretty? Also from Forever 21, at a low price, pasties. If you're wearing tube tops and you have a slip up, it's important to have these nipple pasties. And they're just like bandages, which you put over pasties. I also picked up this little kit, pretty little things. And you open up and you can put in your jewelry. You can put in your earrings, your necklaces, keep them in storage so that they don't get harmed, they don't get damaged, and they get organized and they're not very organized. But it's nice to have, keep it all locked up, nice and neat. And that is all for 21. This is cost $4.90 for some pasties if you're wearing tube tops or any revealing outfits so you don't have slip-ups. And this swimsuit is very updated and small. And this didn't cost too much either. It's just a really nice swimsuit to wear on the beach or swimming pool. And these beautiful bra panties. This was it's only cost $12.90 at Forever 21. It's gorgeous. This cost thrift $4.90. This was only $4.90, and this was only $19 for this swimsuit. Beautiful. If you go to a sporting goods store and buy a Speedo swimsuit, it would cost almost $80. But something like this costs less than $20. And if you keep losing your jewelry or you get it all disorganized and you want to get all your jewelry organized, just get a jewelry compartment like this from Forever 21, and you can organize all your jewelry. You can open up, put more jewelry in the compartment, segment, however you want to organize. That's what I wanted to show to you today. Well, that's about it. Though I'll give you more updates on things that I use, but those are the new things that I would like to advertise about Forever 21, things that they have, and that I was very lucky to have gotten. So let you know and keep you posted. Thank you.